Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you a simple yet amazing hack to achieve a super soft skin in just 2 minutes. And the best part, it's 100% guarantee result. So you will need only two simple ingredients. One is Epsom salt and second is coconut oil. You can use any essential oil for your choice, it's totally optional. Now mix the Epsom salt and coconut oil together. Gently scrub the mixture onto your skin in a circular motion for 2 minutes. You will see the incredible result immediately. Your skin will feel super soft and smoother. Thank you for watching guys. Do try this simple remedy and share your experience with me in the comment section below. If you want more quick and easy beauty tips, be sure to follow me on a daily updates. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Comments below with your favorite beauty hacks. Thanks again. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.